to see following list of TikTok account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So some of the TikTok account or some of the users make their following list only visible to their friends. So if that is the case, what you will have to do is before being able to see their following list, you will have to follow them and be friends with them. So simply launch your TikTok application and then go to the profile of the person of which you want to find their following. Now follow them and wait for them to follow you back, and after that you will be able to see their following list like this. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.